Hello friends, welcome back. It's your English Easy Learn. Today what we are going to learn, what is the new thing? It's that it's going to make you interested. As we have seen in the previous video, with one word we are able to make thousands of small sentences. So today I am going to give two very important words in English that will make you hundreds of sentences. With that, if you understand that you can make many sentences, so that is going to more interesting. That two words are have and has. Have and has. Where are we going to use have and how are we going to use has? And whom to use have and whom to use has? Then what is the difference between these words? Yes, I tell you, have. The word have we use for the pronoun I, you, we, they. So, I have, you have, we have, and they have. Then by the time I hope you understand where do we use has. புரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். Has நம்ம எங்க பயன்படுத்தும் அப்படினா we use for he has, she has, and it has. So these are the places we use have and has. Okay. How do we make that? I have a pen. You have a bag. They have a beautiful house. We have a good lunch. She has a beautiful flower. She has a long hair. It has a long tail. He has a good pen. So like this we make for have and has. Okay, when it goes to the negative sentences வரும்போது இந்த have and has எப்படி பயன்படுத்துவோம்? எப்படி? அதே மாதிரி தான் சார். have I not have sir. She not has sir. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா she has not. அப்படிதான் சார் வரும். இதுல போய் என்ன இருக்கு? No, definitely not. If there is, if you are saying I have a pen, we have to use I don't have a pen. We have a bag. We don't have a bag. They have a house. They don't have a house. We use like this. Then what about he, she, it? Yes, it's a nice question that arises in your mind. I am able to hear. And she has a pen. She does not have a pen. She does not have. Sir, இப்பதான் சொன்னீங்க she, he, itக்கெல்லாம் has வரணும்னு இப்போ எப்படி have சொல்றீங்க? Very good. இப்போ ஒரு word have எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த have எப்படி உருவாயிருக்கு? How this is made? Have is made of do plus have is equal to have. என்னடா மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ்லாம் சொல்ற? Simple idea that you will remember. Do plus have is equal to have. And does plus have is equal to has. So you apply this here. She does not have. She does not have. He does not have. It does not have. So not again after the does there is no has. Is it clear? I hope you understand. Okay. So this is how we make the negative. Then how do we arise a question? எப்படி ஒருத்தர்கிட்ட கேள்வி கேட்கிறது? எப்படி கேட்க முடியும்? ஒரு SR டைப் கேள்வி கேட்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா எப்படி உண்டா இல்லையா ஆமாவா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு கேள்வி கேட்டா எப்படி கேட்கணும்? அப்போ இப்போ இப்படி கேட்கலாம். Do you have a pen? Do you have a house? Does she? It comes here. Does she? Does she have long hair? But do you have a house? But does she have long hair? Okay. அப்போ இந்த ப்ரனவுனுக்கு தான் வருமா சார்? நம்ம ஏதாவது நேம் வந்தா a teacher, a doctor, a boy, a girl, teachers, doctors, engineers, workers, men, women, அப்போ வரும்போது இந்த have has எப்படி சார் வரும்? Nice doubt. இப்போ a teacher has good qualities. A teacher has. A doctor has a good name. A monkey has a long tail. A monkey has a long tail. An elephant has. Don't forget, an elephant has. But at the same time, elephants have. Elephants have. It goes to the pronoun of they. Yes, they. Teacher has, teachers have. I have, we have, she has. That you have to put it here. A boy has, boys have. Boys have a naughty character. Okay, you understand? Okay, இங்க ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அதை மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே லைட்டா ஷார்ப்பா கவனிச்சீங்கன்னா புரிஞ்சிக்க முடியும். எப்படின்னா இப்போ இதுவே வந்து பர்ஃபெக்ட் டென்சஸ்ல பயன்படுத்துறோம் அப்படின்னா எப்படி பயன்படுத்தலாம்? have and has அப்படின்னா I have got a pen. I have broken the window. I have broken the window. அப்ப அதை எப்படி சார் நெகட்டிவ் பண்றது? அங்க ஏதாவது வேற ஏதாவது வருமா? do doesக்கு அங்க வேலை இருக்கா? Definitely not. I have got a pen. I have not got a pen. So இந்த இடத்துல have வந்து ஆக்சிலரியா பயன்படுத்துறோம், ஒரு ஹெல்பிங் வேர்பா பயன்படுத்துறோம். பட் ஆனா முன்ன சொன்ன I have a penல அந்த have main verb, right? That have is main verb. But here I have got a pen. So here I have got a pen. Have is just a auxiliary and it is a helping. So I have not got a. Understand? Yes. We have broken the window. We have not broken the window. Yes. A donkey has loaded. A donkey has loaded. A donkey has not loaded. Clear? Yes. This is how when it comes to the perfect, when it is used as an auxiliary, they are just add not to make into negative. I hope you understand. Clear? So I say once again, I have, I don't have. She has, she does not have. Clear? So I hope you understand. So we'll meet in the next video with something interesting which is going to help you completely to speak with your friends and all. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.